Now, I wouldn't be surprised. One of the things I do anticipate is that we will find some really exceptional traders that are unknown to the world through this process by linking out on a global fashion. Like I say, once you go out, you're literally getting people from 100 plus countries. You're going to be looking at people that no one else has looked at before. And that combined with the idea that you only need a tiny, tiny fraction of all traders to be really good to have a substantial number of excellent traders. So I don't know how many traders there are. There's certainly many millions, maybe tens of millions across the world. Who knows? But you only need a tiny fraction of those, a fraction of 1% to be good, to really have a large number of good traders. So it doesn't have to be a large percentage. So I fully expect that we will have some really good traders come out of this process. And in fact, one of the things people will see if they go on the website is this thing called Market Wizard Search. What the Market Wizard Search is there's going to be some future book called Undiscovered Market Wizards, and that those undiscovered market wizards will come from traders we discover through this website. And a book ain't going to happen this year or next year. It's going to take a few years of kind of having this thing run, and but at some future point, when we feel we have, or I feel I have enough traders identified through the site who seem to have been able to perform for enough time with enough consistency, then there'll be this book called Undiscovered Market Wizards. So I'm expecting that to happen, and I would be surprised if we don't find enough traders to fill a book.
Very cool. I mean, that's definitely something to look forward to. So all the traders in that book you plan on sort of sourcing from fund seed?
Yeah, that's the plan. That's the plan. I guess I shouldn't chime in. If I find some unknown trader in a different way, I guess I wouldn't rule out that they would go. But my primary source for this book is going to be indeed the website. That's the plan. And if I'm wrong, there wouldn't be a book, but I really have trouble believing that I won't find at least a volume of. I'm sure I'll find more than that. I think we will have more than enough people to be able to choose, a book's worth of what I call undiscovered market wizards.
Yeah, no doubt. I'm sure you will. I'm sure you'll definitely find some. So let's just change topics and speak a little bit about on the TradeShark front. I'm keen to hear about the indicators you've been working on there. So tell us a little bit about maybe what TradeShark is and the indicators you've been working on.